Mizorin pui government Mizo high school teacher kania voina hian English course book kan zir don ani kan zir lai kan lu mai in khovela hian mi hlotling turin thei mak na neih te ngaya thei batop chwa te ngaya tin chung te support te ngaya sum neih te po ngaya din munina zir kha ngai ni chuti kara chuanin rual ban lo phei kha chu antan har hle dona ma se mi hlotling tam tak hriat kan neia chung zinga chuan lar deuh pakhat chu hei Helen Keller kan hria a hlotlinga milar tak ani a bengong tong thei lo ni ma se atopa chuan a tong theia lekhabu te ziaka mi a tur kha mi pa ngaya chhuak ani chuan voin nia chuan kan zir tur chu pakhat kan sheto mai theia musician disabled pakhat ania chu kan endon ani textbook kha loke ula first page khan the story is about sound sensation from Evelyn Glennie. Rush hour crowds jostle for position on the underground train platform. A slight looking younger than her 17 years was nervous yet excited as she felt the vibration of the approaching train. Kum som pasari ichonia train khan avui khat na ta na chuang ve top meya train platform chu kan hrianga mi tam takan nuai nuaya and she's very nervous 17 years ka chu a nervous dona azak dona ni chuan vibration of the approaching train ron kal chani ngor dur dura vibrate chu kan chat fo kha platform kha ngorani. It was her first day at the prestigious Royal Academy of Music in London and daunting enough for any teenager fresh from Scottish farm. Ama kha Scotland na tangin London kha aron pana ti chuan Royal Academy of Music kalturani. But this aspiring musician faced a bigger challenge than most. She was profoundly deaf. Rolban lo ani nakha abing ngonga atan chona nasatak ani mina zongpo an kal thei lawa khan ani bingong lengal music zirturin akal don. Evelyn loss of hearing has been gradual. Voile khata bing hingong thut ani lawa zoi in step by step in abing kharon thalawa. Her mother remembers noticing something was wrong when the 8-year-old Evelyn was waiting to play the piano. Piano tumlai khanin anu khanin a notice ani. They called her name and she didn't move. I suddenly realized she hasn't heard, says Isabel Glennie. For quite a while, Evelyn managed to conceal her growing deafness from friends and teachers. This one, they called her name. Apmingan au khan ashitatat law at simmiarawa. Tin bengongani ti ensiat khan Evelyn hianin thup adu tani. She's trying to conceal. Midang siat kha dulawa a teacher tele a chan telaka khan. By the time she was 11, her marks had deteriorated. Mase a thubreng thei bik lawa a chan chu aron lan chuan chu a marks kha it was getting lesser and lesser. Fail mai don ani chu. And her headmistress urged her parents to take her to a specialist. Specialista datur her headmaster urged her parents. And then it was then they discovered her hearing was severely impaired as a result of gradual nerve damage. Ashiat na thazam kha alo cheto hle a chu wang chuanin an headmistress te khan an mu chwa saka. They were advised that she should be fitted with hearing aid te kaman hian lo ngai ta and sent to school for deaf. Chutiang din muna chuan ading ta ni mi talented tak tuina po nei future te po siang veang chutiang chuan anun chu lo om ta. Everything suddenly looked black, says Evelyn. A man anwa soilea chuan engkim hi alo thim veka. But Evelyn was not going to give up. Mase lo cham don lo ta chuan atop don lo. She was determined to lead a normal life and pursue her interest in music. Music akhana tuitlat music kha dune. One day she noticed a girl playing xylophone and decided that she wanted to play too. Xylophone hi anle makan muang hian midang khan an lo play kha muwa ani po chuan play kha du ve tlat mase atana ol sam lowa achan chu most of the teachers discourage her teacher te khan an remti saklawani athen ring lo ani bengong le khal ka but her percussionist Ron Forbes spot her potential avan ne chu teacher hi Ron Forbes sianin a potential a thei na kha alo mu saklet meya chuan he began by turning two large drums to different notes ti chuan he a teacher hianin percussionist to pathum benchinia pani kha siam saka don't listen through your ears o ibenga khan ngai thasu he would say try to sense it in some other way thil dangin ngai tharo atiani bing sha theina kha nei lo wang khan she has to sense in some other way not through her ears. Says Evelyn, suddenly I realized I could feel the higher drum from the waist up. Ti chuan voile khata chutia an tum chuanin she could feel a drum a ring zo ka kha heta akong chunglama ari ashetheya and the lower one from the waist down waist to konia noilamin alo feel tani chu. Forbes repeated the exercise and soon Evelyn discovered that she could sense certain notes in different parts of the body. She could sense certain notes in different parts of the body. Ataksa shang khan music karon feel tani chu abingin a thei to silawa. I had learned to open my mind and body to sound and vibration. Sound le vibration kan a body kan alo feel ta. The rest was sheer determination and hard work. Hela hi poimo ataksa atangin thei topin sense kha atuma asan so shiat na mang thei lo kan ti to ataksa peng dang zong khan chu music ari chu ari ring le ari niam te kha a felo feel tani abang zong chu sheer determination and hard work nichina atira kan soi kha taimak na tumro na kha poi ata poi mo le me ama poi hlotlin na tur chu ngei chu ania tuina pi ala ma khan tumro na kha ngaya. She never looked back from that point onward. Nung lam ahoy le to ngai lo she never looked back. She toured the United Kingdom with youth orchestra and by the time she was 16 she has decided to make music her life. Orchestra to hey a picture kan mo ang hian music zaipol ania ta chuan an tour nei thin United Kingdom ate chuan 16 ani chuanin she decided to make music her life. Music ka anuna lak lo tumta she auditioned for Royal Academy of Music and scored one of the highest mark in the history of Academy. Hemi Academia hianin makaposangber she scored the highest mark. She gradually moved from orchestral work to solo performance. Tichuan zaipol anga tel to lo khan zoin ami malin solo performance malin mana chota. At the end of her 3-year course she had captured most of the top awards. Mimala andin chwa khan she captured most of the top award in Tiasiana Shang Shang. And for all this, Evelyn won't accept any hint of heroic achievement. Chu Rotlidna Shang Shang Loman Momase Ani John Ropui Ka at Tumanilaw. Milar Miropilo in luck select record ka Tumanilawa. If you work hard and know where you are going, you'll get there. Thei patop itwa chuan itum inei that chuan chu itum ram chu itlengang itai mak na in ti kha ma chuan ani. And she got right to the top, the world's most sought after multi percussionist with a mastery of some 1,000 instruments and a hectic international schedule. Music instrument is sang kha a master ani chu tin chu mi ba ka chuan chu am chu tum tarenga chu ba ka chuan international schedule as in kwala international program khana tel deuh char boka chu ha don't le mai mase achol ngai lowa. It is intriguing to watch Evelyn function so effortlessly without hearing. Athil a performance an khanin benga shemi lawin khatiang ang khati khopa theina na sa ne khathil makani mo shemi asilo khan. In our 2 hours discussion she never missed a word. Men with bushy beard give me trouble, she says. Tichuan akom tu hianin asoi pakhat chu 2 hours da kan ni chung akoma mui pul de hi boy thla ka ti bera she laughed nui chu in a soya it is not just washing the lips asan so an mui phun atang khan an tong kha she theya kha kha mui mul nei kha chu sha ta lo har de woniang it's the whole face and especially the eyes an mit menga te an mai an ki an san dana te khan mai biang ro te an san dan jang khan an tong kha lo she theya ti chuanin mui mul an nei che umei kha chuanin a boy thla ka ti ni my speech is clear but I could hear till I was 11 tin tong kha kum som pa ka ni thleng khan a thiama a chan chu a bengon ma ania but that doesn't explain how she managed to learn French ma se ingtin ye French tong te lo thiam le bok thei ni and master basic Japanese tong po lo thiam le thoni chu tiang music azir kara po chuan atai mak dan tur chu as for music she explained it pours it through every part of my body music a chuan ti hian soya ka taksa zong a hianin aron fan chua ko veka it tingles in my skin a vun thleng in lo feel theya my cheekbones and even my hair when she played the xylophone kha to na picture kan mon kana hang chin hang kan soi to boka she can sense the sound passing up the stick into her fingertips this one stick akena he music hi tia stick ne na tum chi ni ta akut mora aron feel phota by leaning against the drum bula te hian she can feel the resonance flowing into her body resonance so echo a kho ka kha enge ni ataksa khana lo feel thei ari moi lo kha sharek mai ni chu on the wooden platform she removed her shoes so that the vibration passed through her bare feet and up her legs this one thing phel chua ta hian a perform chuanin ke long in thina phego ka phela ta chon music kha ama khan tian aron feel thei ni chu ke more chingin aron fan chua ka fikni chena kan soyang khan atak sapum khan music kha alo shethei not surprisingly even Evelyn delights her audience ama into a audience te kha a surprise fo thina ni ati lom thin buno mante in 1991 she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society prestigious Soloist of the Year award heta han Royal Philharmonic Society lar takhianin Soloist Year award ka an lo hlan to boka says master percussionist James Blades God may have taken her hearing on James Blades chuanin pathianin asiat na lak sak poni methe but he has given her back something extraordinary thil na mai lo pelet something extraordinary chu pa ngai ne extraordinary thil dang lam tak mai what we hear kan shia ta hi she said she feels far more deeply than any of us mitang zong ain alo feel theni that is why she expressed music so beautifully that is why she can play the music so beautifully Evelyn confessed that she is something of workaholic atay maboka anipon atay makha ain confess workaholic chereng mai amu mai ngai lo enge ka chaw tia han bok zan anei lo ama ka workaholic eng tiklai pon ati tur kha ama chopa nei ni chu I have just got to work often harder than classical musician but the rewards are enormous musician ti ain ka tho ha bi ka ngai ti ani renga begin ashilova ataksa ina sia ta ngai wangin aman athei chin ain sia a limitation asia har satna ain sia chuwain midang ain ka zirna satangai ka thorei bi ka ngai ti kha ama in sia na train chu ain accept mai ta ni ani na ain accept ti chuan a reward chu ro puini apart from regular concert kha nei reng sum khatam ta khai lu thei to Evelyn also give free concert in prison and hospitals free concert te po petela zel tang tan te hospital tan te an lo hlim pui via wang she also gave high priority to classes of young musician chuta young musician ho kha zirtir lap pele tani hun chu atai thle ang Ain Richland of Beethoven Fund for Deaf Children says she is shining inspiration for deaf children Richland Beethoven Fund for Deaf Children bengong te tana thok thin hianin bengong tan ama hi chona siam tu tipur tu ber mai they see that there is nowhere they cannot go an ril ruwa chuan engkim kan ti ve thei ni ti kha an lo than nan ve ta ni. Evelyn has already accomplished more than most people twice her age. Aya upate ai khanin thil kha engeni athiam tura kha alo thiamna sa phezok maya. She has brought percussion to the front of orchestra and demonstrated that it can be very moving. Percussion ni chinami khwang ben nang chi kha khan kha orchestra a kha orchestra chu helaya picture kan muang hian zaipol ho pa a kha a chop chuak theya moi takin an play an demonstrator and it's very moving. Ngai nom lutuk moi lutukin. She has given inspiration to those who have handicap, people who looked at her and says handicap dang rual ban lo dang te khan eng tingen rilun lo nei ta ani na ti thei chuan ke pon ka theyang. If she can do it, I can. And not the least, she has given enormous pleasure to millions. Rual ban lo de tan mai khan ni lovin midang te hlimna asiam na sa le bokani. Kha a story so nita story zyak tu chu Deborah Cole. Te chuan question claim hi soitel ta ila itlo boy pui zui tur nia he hi ngai thalia mai lovin tuna kan soi to atang khanin a question kha engtingi I chan nang ti khalong I to ala chana kan shil don lo chea nang man ingai to iril ruwa khan lo om tur anita a vai khan kan soi fia to in ksia heta give reasons if textbook chia so an learn to infer khan give reason for each of the following ti kha lo en la number 1 kha Evelyn was nervous on her first day at the Royal Academy of Music in London ngatingi a nervous na chan khami train platform a local khan Royal Academy of Music khami akal don ni rena local atangin khami mun avathen don ngatingi nervous na chan so in ngai to engen yang ama khan kim lo omem nervous na chan hi chu engi mo confidence lo na tur thila omta engi confidence anei lo na chan ngatingi nervous na chan music kha thiam tho sia thil pakhat kha izong chhuak theyang. Number 2 chuan Evelyn marks in school deteriorated. Deteriorated means getting worse. Her marks is getting less and less. So you have to answer why. Ngatingi mark kha tlem tial na chan lekha thiam lo ni box se lawa mi pa ngai ania. Number 3 Evelyn felt indebted to Ron Forbes. Nitin akan Ron Forbes kan soi to music ama kha teacher tam takina ati chi ani lawang tia anti lai khan ani khan engangin nge lo thi kha ngatinge ba alaka ka ban sa le mai ati achana kha sentence ki sei ngai lo to na karon soi hong hi chu sentence ni khatin I chang don ani. Man with bushy beard troubled Evelyn. Bushy beard moi mul ho khan ati boy ngatinge ngat lawa mi ngatinge moi mul ho khan ati boy moi mul nei ho khan allow me tlan chat mai du me eng wang ati boy nge ni engi an ma ni har satna ni de chang le. She needs to remove her shoes, lean against the drum during performance. Ngatinge min pe osang tak takan buna stage a concert te an in mas pe osang tak takan buna ngatinge Evelyn khan a pe kho kha li ngai na chan chuan drum te kang ngatinge awak ngeng kher ngai na chan enga tinge pheu sang den chon lam pa music chu a perform lo eng wange chang theyang chuan adang le chu thil pakhat chana tor zona pakhat ka pele chonga pani anianga pakhat kan soima sanga. Imagine that you have met a very talented disabled person singing on the roadside. What do you feel about him? Talented zai thiam tak mai rual ban lo kha kong sira alo zai ta enge iril ruwa thodan poisai pedone myang ikai hodone myang mudnai pedone myang enge iril ruwa khana hanin ngai to ala hi hetiang chi hi chu 5 marks vela chang thei dorin phek khat vel kha chani tum don ani ni chin mi kan ti jong kha line ni khatene hi chu 4 marks ang turin 4-5 marks หันช่างโดนชินและงังงินเงขาปากค่ะอีปุยโดนเงปุยใส่ไปโดนเงติค่ะยังไงตัวอังจวนโซน่ะปัญหาดังกระสอบเลี้ยจงอ่ะตัวนักกันโซน่ะตัวที่จูมากลีมากงาเวลชันตัวนี้งะอีเพจขัดตัลอินเจกตัวขามีa story in share ตัวจังคันนังมานี่อาคารไงดาน inferential question เดี๋ยววันนี้ไงดานอินเนี่ยค่ะอินนนเจกสวากเวดอนนี่จวงจวนกัน story แชร์เตะคลาสกันเสียร์เตะไงทักเลียมริงวดลวินเองข้างเงกันเชียดขัดตะขันไงดานเองกันนี่ที่ครับทิลปุยหมอลุตัวกันเนี่ยขัดยังไงดานนี่เสียมเทียมจวนนี่ English คือเทียมเวกโดนนะอีทวักค่ะชับกโดนที่นั่นนี่จูตัวนั้นจวนโซน่ะ4 or 5 marks ปูอินช่างงะpage ขัดตัลค่ะอะไรตัวเนี่ยโซน่ะเตะโซน่ะชันมาเฮียนินไงดานอินเล่าในตัวเนี่ยข้ามี story กันจิรตัวจังคันินนังมาคันไงดานเฟลตักอิโลเซียมตัวเลขเทียม educated อินนี่ทิลอิงไงท่าstory อิงไงท่าจุดอิงไงท่ากันจังจวนเองโซน่ะพอเราคันเสียไงดานค่ะอิโลเซียมเทตัวนี่จู่ปัจจุกบฏเสียประคัดจอกจู่ Imagine that you have met a very talented disabled person singing on the roadside. What do you feel about him? Talented รัวบันเรา talent ในชาตักไม่ค่ะกงเสียเราใจตาชวนอิงอิริรัวโถดานปุยซาอีเปโดนเงอิจันปุยยังบุรีวัตถุโดนเมอิงอีฟ้าช่วยหัวโดนเมียงเงอาใจคือไงถาริงดโดนตาส่วนอีกนังมันไงดานอินนี่ที่ค่ะทุยตะกินอีไงดานค่ะอิเซียกโดนนี่มากันเราสวยตัวอังคารอิงบอยปุยจีเงอิริลรูอีไงตัวอันอารอนรูตะค่ะessay type เดี๋ยวเล็กินอิเซียกโดนนี่จ้ะ Determination is the key to success. Elaborate from what you have learned from the story. Tin tumruna hi hlotlin na nia. Determination is the key to success. Hey hi proverbs thudik omsa ania ta chuan in explain don ni chu khami story atang khan tumruna khan eng chenin nge mishing nuna khan hmasawnna tur hlotlin na asiam ti kha ingai tu ana kha in manganga in ziak don ni chu khati zong kha voina kan zir thei chu ania kalome